Hello and once again welcome to my video, and in this video we will build the Flutter application for web. So this is the demo which I already created to show you. So we are going to do similar thing in this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this up and let's go here. So if you want to make the application for web, you need to run this command first. So let me clear the terminal. So you need to write flutter create and full stop. So this will add the web folder inside your Flutter project. Okay, so if I run this flutter create dot, so this will add all the components which are required for the web. Next, what you need to do is that click here and select the Chrome web and just click here. It will build the app for the web. It will take a few seconds. Alright, it's done. So this is our app which we just made, and if I go here and if I want to play around, I go back here and I just want to change the color of my app. Currently it is blue. I want to change it to red, then save this file. If I go back, so you see that it is changed instantly. So this is hot reload, and you can build the application very fast by using this feature which is by default in Flutter. So I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe and share with your friends.